Alright, so I gave myself a haircut today. I shaved off the fucking beard and all that shit. I said fuck that. It's gotta go. Had my peripherals back. I feel like now I'm not combat ineffective. I have my contacts on. I feel better. It's like this is like going on a patrol for me. I feel like sometimes. Let me make sure I get that. American flag. I'm not wearing my 4ID hat today, but I do got my Wounded Warrior project backpack, knapsack, whatever, just to add a little weight, carry some of my things. And literally I already just walked a mile and it's changed. I don't know, I'd say I'm at like 36 minutes on a mile and like a quarter, 2/4, whatever. I'm just walking. I ain't fucking going for time. Just trying to get a little exercise. I'm on mile 11 and a half. My mom's house is on mile 12 and a half. And you just walk, you gotta walk like a little ways. And you can take the canal road. It's on mile 11 and a half where OG Unc lives. And that's, he's my best friend. I walk over here if I can see him just to get exercise, just fuck with him and hang out with him. For the last 3 years, we've been friends. And when my truck was working, it was cool. I was always over here in the truck. Right now, I'm walking, whatever. Hey, nobody starts at the top. I told you, we just getting started. But I'll be walking like another quarter mile, and I'll be at OG Unc's, the compound, the ranch. And we'll see if he wants to say anything today.